Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to try and weld in the frame extensions on the Pontiac, so come along. So if you watched the last episode, we cut these out. Now you see that there? If you watch the short, you know what that is. But I had sent out a design from Send Cut Send, which is actually what we used for the cut template. And I was just kind of getting antsy. I wanted to see how everything fit. So our goal tonight is to maybe try and get these in. Even, we got to do a little bit of fit up. That might eat up a lot of our time, but we'll see. So first thing we got to do is we got to get them in there good. And once both of them are fitting really good, we'll throw a level across here, see how we're doing, if the back's tilted or not. And we'll find some spots and we'll pull square and see how that all is.
I don't think it'll take us too long.
You don't think so?
No. I checked right here and we're off just a little bit with the level, but that's...
Yeah, well, I watched the video. When you pull it back, you can actually see the back kind of come down.
Yep.
So I mean, it's not a lot.
No.
One thing we do have to do, so when these things get bent in the corners, they kind of crease up a little bit.
Okay.
So I think that's the first thing we do is grind those creases down. Once we got them fitting good, we do have to bevel both edges. Mm-hmm. That way we can get good penetration on the weld. So that's probably what we're going to start with, is doing that. Yeah, so if you look, see how in the corner here?
Oh, yeah.
See what I mean? Yeah, right there, you can feel it even. Just rub your thumb on it.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yep. So that's the first thing we got to do, is we just got to nip those down on both of these. Yeah?
I think so. Yeah.
All right.
It looks pretty flat. I got two batteries though, so
2 batteries?
it should be enough.
Yeah, right.
Hopefully. I mean, it is a Milwaukee product, so I'm not going to hold my breath on that one.
Okay, so this one fits pretty okay right here, Jason.
Yeah.
I think, because if you look, so I'm going to hold it here. There's a little bit of a rock to it. You see that?
So where is it hitting? Like
right in here. Well, the only thing that's it's not going to hit is down here. It's going to be all the way up there.
Yeah. You're going to box that in though, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay.
I almost feel like we got to take a little bit off down here and a little bit up in here. Because if you look, so we're touching in this corner right there. Mm-hmm. And we're touching in the corner over here.
Okay, see what I can do.
Just sneak up on it. Basically what we want to do is we want to get as much of this fitting flush against this, and then we got to do the same on this side. So what we got going on? Yeah, that looks good up there. Okay, except for we got a pretty big gap down here still. So that tells me we gotta work all this back to get it to all slide.
Hey, Nick. Whoops. Try that.
Yeah, that looks good. I actually saw some metal go away that time.
I'm trying to be careful.
Yes.
Where was the other spot? Right in here?
Yeah, I would just check it, because once this comes in, it's going to hit right here.
No, if it's level, it's right there. It's pretty darn close, don't you think?
Think we're good?
Yeah, check it. Make sure.
Okay.
I think we thought it would look all right. The other two odd guys said it looked good.
Yeah, I like that. Let's grab this one. We'll do that side, and then we'll bevel it, and we'll start leveling and probably tacking it in.
Oh, this is the side that I cut and got crooked. So
Yeah, a little bit.
It's got quite a gap there.
Yeah, we gotta probably take a little bit out of this corner and probably this line down here. That should clear that up quite a bit. How we looking, bud?
I think pretty darn close. It's not perfect. There's some gaps.
Oh, I think I can live with that a little bit, Jason.
Okay. Oh. I don't know.
What I'm thinking is we got these holes right here. We'll do the inner one back to the leading edge on this hole over there and vice versa. 96 and 7/8.
Okay.
It's like fucking spot on. Like close enough where we're splitting hairs, you know.
Good. Yeah, even I think it's actually the front that's low. When I put the level on, it's the front that's got to come up like a 16th or something.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Okay, stop. You're right in front of my camera, guy. Jesus, Nick. Killing me, dog.
Well, at least he wasn't swearing or anything. You don't have to edit it.
It's all right. I won't tell you how many times I've seen Jason's butt just sitting there. Yeah, so far we're like right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the pieces forward here, and then pull square, and we're gonna check level again. And if everything looks good, I'll tack it here. I'll get a couple more tacks, and then I think we're just gonna burn it in. We're gonna slide her forward.
I think you're there.
Yeah. How's it look? Okay, we're level here. Can we check level over there again? It's pretty close.
Hang on.
I think I'm okay with that. 96 1/4. Yeah. Maybe an 1/8 of an inch long on this side. That's so minuscule in the grand scheme of things.
On this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm okay with that.
I don't think it's gonna. You're not gonna notice it.
An 1/8 of an inch? No. All right. Is there any reason that I shouldn't weld this in right now? Because I feel pretty good about it.
I don't think so. I think it's. I mean. Yeah. Unless you want to try and measure it again, but I don't think that's going to change.
All right.
I don't see why not.
You want to pull this out for me?
Pull it out?
Yep.
All the way out?
Yep. That's good.
This one out.
Pull her out.
Oh. This one's a little tighter.
Well, we have a welded in frame. Level still looks good over there. We're gonna wanna weld the inside. What I wanna do too is I wanna see if we can bend this part of the frame up so then we can weld that.
Okay.
And then, yeah, like I said, we're gonna end up boxing all that in too. I will say, after last week, how stoked I wasn't nervous about this at all anymore. I was like, yeah, cool, if it fits, let's burn it in.
No, and when it's came apart and slid apart so good, that was a huge relief.
Yeah.
So that made a big difference. I might be able to bend this up with the vice grip. I'll bend this one up like that, see if it works.
Yeah. Welded. Yeah, so one of the things I'm going to do now is we're going to grind all the welds down, obviously, and I'm going to get some plates made that are going to more or less be like an X or a square with 2 holes on each side, so that way we can plug weld the holes and then weld around the edges on both of those, all 4 of them. And yeah, I mean, does that still slide in good?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't try. Same with that one. Same there. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, that more or less tells me that we're still in plane. I mean, just eyeballing it too, it looks straight.
It looks really nice.
No. I mean, here's the thing. We're not on a frame table. There's no way it's perfect, but I think it's dang good for what we can do.
Mean, yeah, we could still get the pipes to go in and out. I'm happy with that.
All right, let's pull them out for good.
Let's leave them while it cools off.
Yeah. It's not a terrible idea.
Yeah, that way I don't have to do any more grinding tonight.
Well, we weren't going to take the tabs off and stuff tonight.
Right.
I ordered the airbags, so I'm thinking next episode we're probably going to work on getting the suspension all done.
That'd be sweet.
And the one after that, maybe get the engine and trans put in for mock-up.
See if we need to do more modifying or not.
Well, no matter what, we're not going to modify the frame anymore.
Yeah.
If it doesn't air out as far as I want, I'm either going to go to a slightly smaller tire, or it just means we'll just have to channel the body that much more. Is pretty much what it comes down to. I feel really good about it.
We got that part done, and it's not crooked.
Yeah.
And I mean, when we pulled the pipes out, it didn't spring one way or the other, so
yeah,
that's a huge plus.
I mean, we still have all the braces in and everything, but I mean, that's why we did all that though too, so that it doesn't happen. So cool. Well, I think that's where we're going to leave this episode. If you guys are looking forward to more 46 Pontiac stuff, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.